Hi guys, welcome back. Nothing tastes as good as being healthy, right? So in today's episode, we will be exploring how to read the labels right of the products that you're buying. So the first point is that the first ingredient which is there or the first few ingredients which are there in your product are the highest. For example, if I see this, the first ingredient here is water, then it's sugar. That means sugar is the highest in this product which is here. So you should avoid such a product. Now my second point is that the fewer ingredients the better. For example, in fenugreek leaves, if I read the ingredient, it just says fenugreek leaves. So this is appropriate because it doesn't has any other ingredient. Similarly for oregano, it has only oregano in it in the ingredients. It does not have anything else. Similarly for the date paste over here. Some date paste may contain sugar, but I have bought it because it says that only dates are there in this. So this is purely date paste, so I have bought it. It is not processed, it is just date paste. Whenever you are buying any products, you have to be careful of what you are buying. Now, for example, why I am saying that, because if you look at this peanut butter, on the top it will say zero trans fats. So that means the front labels might be misleading. But if you really look at the nutrition fact, it says it has peanuts, it has sugar, it has oils, it has salt. So you can rather make this at home by just blending some peanuts. So why do you want to buy from stores if the stores don't give you what exactly is required? Correct. Now we will be moving on to that why no sugars and what all ingredients should not be there. For example, sugars are very harmful to you because they increase your weight and they're not good for your heart. Then trans fats and oils, any type of oils, say it corn oil, soya oil, mustard oil, no oil, no ghees, no butters is good for you. So if these ingredients are there in your product list, then you should avoid buying such things because they cause a lot of heart related diseases. Therefore, even there are artificial flavors which are present in the food products that you're buying. You should avoid those also because those are not good for your skin, and those are also they create hyperactivities in kids. So you should be avoiding artificial colors, sweeteners and flavors also. Nutrition facts, it says that suppose 15 calories. So 15 calories is not there in the whole bottle. It says 15 calories is per 15 grams of serving. So you should look at the serving size also. Don't just say, oh, 15 calories, so I can pick this because the whole thing has 15 calories. No, only 15 grams or per 100 grams, and they will mention it's per 15 grams or per 100 grams of those calories. So please be very attentive when you're buying such products on a plant-based diet, and mostly opt for fewer ingredients which will really be beneficial for you. Now if I say fewer ingredients, this peanut butter here also has 4 to 5 ingredients, but the ingredients which it has is very harmful. For example, it has salts, sugars, oils, which obviously will be very harmful to you. So you have to even be sure of what ingredients are there in it, not only how many ingredients. So you have to, this is how you basically see how the nutrition facts and the ingredients of each product is, and then you should buy the products. So friends, the products should also be nutrition dense. It should not be caloric dense because it's again not good for your health. For example, if you see the syrup here, the energy value is 292 calories per 100 grams. That is a lot. So basically you should avoid such products also which will harm your health. I hope you have liked this video, and I hope you have gained some good insight about the ingredients of the products from my video. And if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you want such knowledgeable videos. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care.